What are the most expensive cars to maintain? Welcome to Mercie J, where compassion and craftsmanship come together. I'm Rick Smith. So first of all, that can vary dramatically, even within manufacturers. And it can vary basically from years to even within a manufacturer. What specific model is it, and what specific equipment does that car have? So it's very important for you to do your own research to determine whether that vehicle you're interested in is going to be economical for you to keep going or not. One of the resources that I saw online that was pretty nice was Consumer Reports. They have some very specific data. But I'll give you kind of my general rule of thumb from what I've seen in my shop. For the most part, the more exotic it is, and typically the cars from Europe, they tend to be a little bit more to repair and maintain. Now, as far as the other side of the coin, the ones that seem to require less money in terms of maintenance and repairs overall tend to be the ones from Asia. And I can give specific manufacturers, but I don't want to throw out too many opinions here. So my encouragement is to do your own research, but I hope that helps you just kind of have a little bit general idea of what we've experienced in our shop. So until next time, safe travels and blessings to you.